Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be talking about the latest updates from Binance. Binance are currently giving out 500 BUSD. Let me zoom it out so that you can see it very well. So Binance are currently giving out 500 BUSD saving trial fund voucher to its customers if they verify their accounts. Actually, you have 7 days to verify your account starting from when this announcement was made. So if you want to take part in these benefits, you need to verify your account. You know, it is possible for you to make trades, sell or transact cryptocurrency without even being verified. But if you want to take advantage of these benefits, I'm going to show you how to verify your account. You must at least get the intermediate verification complete. So how can you do that? You need to log into your Binance account, whether you're using your mobile phone or a system or a laptop. The process is still the same. So when you get to Binance, all you need to do is come to this profile, your profile, and click on identification down here. As soon as you have clicked on identification, you'll be shown different types of verification you need to complete so that you stand a chance also get the 500 BUSD that they are giving out. So there's actually a basic verification, intermediate verification, and there's one more verification that is necessary after that. But what Binance needs from this update is intermediate verification. Majority of users are currently on the basic verification. In the basic verification, all you just need is your personal information. But in the intermediate verification, as you can see, I am verified. You need all basic requirements: government issued ID and facial recognition. So you need to have all this in place so that you can be verified and you fall under the intermediate verified customer. So what can you do with this 500 BUSD that you are giving you? Note that you cannot withdraw this 500 BUSD. It is not withdrawable, it is not tradable, so you cannot sell it. But instead you can save it and make profits on Binance. I'm going to create a video on how you can save BUSD, or you stake your cryptocurrency so that you make interest. And as soon as you have made interest from that your savings, you can then trade the interest or sell the interest or withdraw the interest. So that is the latest update from Binance. So if you're interested to make this verification, you need to do it now so that you stand a chance of getting this 500 BUSD savings trial fund that they are giving out.